around your waist, buckle it in the front, and pull the tighten. Once outside, you must be outside the aircraft. Pull down on the right side to inflate, to manually inflate. Hold of the tube at your shoulder. Flight attendants are coming by quickly. They're just double checking, making sure those seatbelts are fastened. Seatbacks and tray tables under their full upright locked position. Carrying on items are all the way under the seat in front of you, leaving clear access to the center aisle. Smoking is never allowed on board the aircraft, including the lavatory. Federal law does prohibit tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detector in our aircraft lavatory. Federal aviation regulations do require passenger compliance with those lighter passenger information signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions regarding seatbelts, smoking, and safety. Now, for those of you that really listened to how we evacuate this large Boeing aircraft, we thank you. For those of you that did not think it was important to listen to how we get out of this aircraft quickly, well, good luck to you getting out. And finally, although we never anticipated change in our cabin pressure, should one occur, 4 yellow oxygen masks will drop the compartment overhead. To activate the flow of oxygen, simply pull down on the mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Secure the mask with the elastic strap. Although oxygen will be flowing, the plastic bag may not inflate. Please continue wearing the mask until otherwise notified by a crew member. If you are traveling with small children or anyone needing special assistance, please put on your mask first. And that's it. That's our list of do's and don'ts. Please sit back, relax. If you prefer to lean forward and be nervous, it doesn't really matter to us. We already have your money. Thanks for joining us, ladies and gentlemen. 2 hours, 55 minutes, gate to gate into beautiful Fort Lauderdale. Welcome aboard.
Oh, I got this one right there. See, right toward it.
And ladies and gentlemen,
this memory also has to be cleared to take off. Yeah.
We have right here for departure. Sit back, relax, enjoy your flight. I'm going to dim the cabin lights a little bit.
Yeah.
If you need additional reading light, just press the button above your head, the one with a picture of a light bulb on it. Have a good flight.